Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use Night Cafe AI, a text-to-image AI generator. And it is a web-based AI art generator that allows you to create incredible art without reaching for your wallet. Of course, there are some limitations in terms of daily credits, but that is a small price to pay for the power and creativity it offers. It is an excellent way to keep your creative juices flowing without breaking the bank. Are you curious to see how it works? Let us dive right in and explore Night Cafe together. But first, if you are interested in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and how to use them effectively, this channel is perfect for you. We provide easy-to-follow tutorials and keep you informed. So, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help us create more valuable content. Now, let us dive into the details. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Night Cafe website. You can find it at creator.nightcafe.studio. You will notice there is just simply click on Create and Sign in. Welcome to the Night Cafe editing space. We are about to embark on a creative journey, and I will guide you through the process. Let us start by taking a look at the left side of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Here, you will craft your prompts, and the quality of your image depends on how imaginative and detailed your prompts are. So, don't be shy. Let your creativity flow and type in anything that stirs your artistic soul. Next, you can add your personal touch to the image by selecting a style. Scroll down and explore the various options available until you find the one that resonates with your artistic vision. When you feel satisfied with your prompt and have chosen the perfect style to bring your vision to life, it is time to make the magic happen. Click on Create and watch as your unique vision takes form. Your imagination combined with the power of the Night Cafe's AI will produce a work of art that is truly one of a kind. So, let us not wait any longer. Click Create and set your creativity free on the digital canvas. And there you have it, a city forgotten by time, stuck in the past for the last half a century. It is pretty amazing, right? The eerie beauty of this forgotten urban landscape is nothing short of breathtaking. Night Cafe stands as an outstanding alternative to Midjourney, especially considering that Midjourney is no longer free. In a world where virtual experiences have become an integral part of our daily lives, having access to platforms like Night Cafe offers a refreshing change. You can enhance your creation and download your image right here. Just click on Done when you are finished, and you are ready to create another masterpiece. The interface is designed for seamless navigation, ensuring a user-friendly experience. Don't forget to check your email inbox. You might find some extra credits waiting for you. Claim them to supercharge your creative projects. It is like a bonus that lets you do more of your fantastic work. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Night Cafe stands out as a truly exceptional AI art generator that not only sparks your creative journey, but does so without putting a strain on your budget. With Night Cafe, the world of artistic exploration becomes more accessible than ever, liberating your imagination from the shackles of extravagant expenses. But the excitement doesn't stop here. If you're eager for more alternatives that offer such compelling opportunities, stay tuned as I have more exciting videos lined up just for you. We greatly value your perspective and the experiences you bring to Night Cafe. We are excited to hear from you as you explore all the cool things you can do here. Please take a moment to share your thoughts and creative ideas in the comments. Your input can help inspire others who are also into creative stuff on this platform. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.